to get them out. We're supposed to do water, but we're doing the milk to make it more moister and softer.
Yes. Okay, girl. So 3 tablespoons of milk. Today I'm here. Tomorrow, I could be anywhere. But at the end of the day, I'm going to be SHATIMAR no matter where I am. Hey y'all, so I had my 2-year-old and 5-year-old niece over. Trying to get my nephews over before I rolled out to Georgia, but I will get them when I get back. So that's Nori, and then the oldest one is Nova. I tried to tie that ass out. We did a lot in 24 hours. Not even 24 hours. We went to the Blueberry Gap farm, which was so fun, feeding the animals and taking pictures. I'd never been there, so having my nieces to take was like really fun because I put it on them. And I got to see the animals. Oh my God, so huge, no zoom in. Then we went to the mall to hang out a little bit. You know, they got that little play area for the children. And I took them out to the water fountains. Nova thinks she's a model. We really need to get her into something. So stay tuned if you want to get chocolate wasted, go to see the animals and hang with us. We're going to have a conversation before we go up into this place that we're going into. And before I could even get out my mouth, what you say?
And you don't behave, we're going to go back to the house.
If I don't behave, we're going back to the house. Nori, did you hear that back there? So you better behave. Okay? All right, let's go. Oh, and there's a lot of kids out here and there's a lot of parents out here.
So
and I need to see. Right, I need to see you at all times. Because people snatch up kids, okay? This is not a game. I want you to have fun, but just we got to be, you know, safe, okay? Bye. Let's go. I'm going to fix a little sandwich. You have your little ham sandwich. Hey, Nova. Hey, Nori. This is so nice. Blueberry, where we at?
Blueberry Gap.
Blueberry Cat Farm in Hampton. It's so pretty. A lot of people out here. And then we're going to go, I got the quarters, so we're going to feed them. The barn is over there. I'm going to show y'all everything. This is cool out here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see it right here on the side. Huh? You see it? Nori doing pull up. Keep pushing. Keep pulling. Do it again. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. Touch it with you. Come on. Put your hand out. I'll touch it with you.
No, touch the fur with me.
The fur. Okay. Touch the fur with you. Here, honey. How you eat that good again? I felt it. You want to do it too?
It bite me.
It won't bite you, baby. I promise.
It don't bite.
See there? Do you see? It didn't bite me.
It didn't.
What, baby?
Let's eat this one.
Yes. Come on. See it? You got to hold the food out. Give it, guys. I'm not zooming in at all. This is literally the animal. I don't know what it is, but look at this shit on that thing. Oh my gosh. Right there. Look at that. Good Lord. I know there's no small, but at least don't stink. Your poo don't stink, so that's what's up. You had to do it again. You had to go again. Nori, you ready, huh? She's like, forget this. I'm coming, baby.
Push me, push me.
Push you. You want to do it the hard way? Sometimes it just don't work out. We don't have to make this hard. You really can make it easier by going the steps. And when you get it, everything works out just right. How? But sometimes we're just scared. Girl, you better calm down. Let me come over there. Hi, Nori, see if she can take the picture. You guys see by your sister? Tired yet? Y'all tired yet? No? Yeah? Yes?
I mean, no.
Let's go do some baking and chill. Wear y'all tails out. Oh, come on. Sorry. Yeah, come on. Honey, cut it off. We're going to get charged. I want to use our dance. Hey, because that was cute. Hey, you guys. So it's your girl, SHATIMAR.
And it's your girl, Nova. And today we're going to be making...
Speak loud so they can hear you.
And today we're going to be we're back with another bacon video.
Yes, we are. Oh my God. I didn't tell her any of this. Okay. Show them what we're going to do.
So we're going to...
hold it up to the camera.
And we're going to start... Wait.
Well, you guys tell them what we're doing.
So we're gonna be baking.
Show them. Hold it up to the camera. You want me to hold it up?
We're gonna wait. Let me hold it.
You want to hold it?
Making brownies.
Yeah, hold it up there to the camera so you can see. Okay.
We're gonna be baking brownies.
All right, and we're doing. Why are you holding the liners? Because we're doing what?
Because we're gonna separate them from each other so they don't stick that much.
And we're using it this way because we're doing what? Brownie
cupcake.
That's right. So we'll be back, you guys. This is not about me. She's doing everything. I'm gonna film. Are you ready? Let's go! Ah! Shark, shark, shark! Hey, girl.
Hey.
So what you doing?
So we're gonna fill up our cupcake pan with cupcake liners.
Oh, okay. All right, go ahead. So you already started, and just have how many more?
2 more.
Okay, go ahead.
So we're gonna get to cracking the eggs now.
And we're gonna do it in another bowl. Why?
Because you don't want it to get together.
Yeah. Go ahead, crack it open. No, you scared. Just go ahead and pull it. You got it. See? Perfect. And we're gonna normally put that, use our trash bin, which is this thing.
Oh my goodness.
Push it over here so you didn't get in there. Mistakes, huh?
Happen.
Mistakes happen. We gotta get another egg. The egg's not gonna be room temperature. Look at Auntie trying to help. Okay, we gotta go.
Mistakes happen.
Mistakes happen. Mistakes happen. Oh my God, we busted the egg. Yeah. You up here dancing. That's why you breaking eggs. Go ahead.
So that's, I'm gonna crack this egg. Scared.
Don't be scared. You gotta learn. Make sure you're doing it over the bowl, okay? Okay, yep. Go ahead. Open it. Make sure it's over the bowl. Crack it open. There you go. That's what you want to get out.
Okay. So you're gonna add 1/2 of veggie oil.
One hat. Keep going. You need plenty more.
So we're supposed to be water, but we're doing the milk to make it more moister and softer.
Yes. Okay, girl. So 3 tablespoons of milk. Let's get to the milk. So what are you doing? Let me see. Hold it down. Show them.
Wait.
What are you doing?
I'm pouring the powder for the brownie to pour it in here.
Yes,
the bowl.
The brownie mix.
So much chunk.
So much chunk. All right, so let's get to the, what's next?
The milk.
Okay. No, I was going to show. Let's do it just a teeny bit more, just a tad bit.
Oh,
there we go. What's next?
The eggs. Yeah.
Okay, we got to get the eggs. All right. Right here. Take the fork out and just going to put it in. Be gentle. Don't put it over there. Go ahead. Just throw it in there. All right, next.
Next, we need to mix it.
Hey, you need some oil, don't you?
Yeah, I forgot.
How much oil is that?
3.5. I mean 1.5.
Okay. Did you get it all the way on? It's more oil in there, girl. Tilt it over and let it drip. Let's get that drip.
New space. Time to mix it.
Oh, well, can you stand up? You got to be serious about this, honey. All right, I'm going to hold it for you.
Reach it.
Yes, you can. Turn it. Okay, then hold it. Yeah, start slow. All right. You're just going to keep going, blend until it's all mixed up, right?
I'm trying to do it like this way so it can get one side at a time.
Okay. So we'll be back after it's all blended up. Oh, yeah, baby.
Don't forget to preheat the oven. The oven.
Okay.
To 23 to 20.
325.
25. and make sure you, before you start doing this, preheat your oven.
Yes.
Oven.
That's
I
right.
already told you about. So,
Okay, let's finish doing that.
and I blended it up good. Look at that.
It does look real nice and chocolate. Look at that chocolate falling. All right, I guess we need to go ahead and get it in our pans. Like, let's just get that
I'm
stuff
doing
set
it,
up.
not you.
Okay, yes, honey. Look at Nori over there eating chocolate. You like it? Nori, is it good? Yes.
Tima, hold this.
Auntie, you need me to hold it? Okay. How we gonna use? Oh, we're done. That's right. Nori, you like it? Let me see your chocolate. Chocolate wasted. Well, I'm glad we're done with that. Say bye, girls. We gotta
Bye,
go.
chocolate world.
Chocolate on your teeth. Nori, say bye. She's like, I'm eating chocolate. Leave me alone. All right.
Oh my goodness.
It's hard, right?
Yeah.
You need me to help you just do that part? You know, the oven is preheating.
Not you, no, Nori.
Stop it.
You stop it.
Stop it, Aunt Tina.
I ain't doing anything. Stop it now. You saying stop it?
Aunt Tima, stop it.
What you want, the video?
Let me do my own.
Okay, go ahead. But you gonna get it everywhere.
Even better.
Don't shake it. Oh my gosh. You wonder why I pre-did those?
No, but just pour it from the thing. Hold it and pour it.
We're trying to make it easy for you, baby. That helps. That should help me doing it that way.
Baby shark.
Oh my goodness.
It's a lot, right?
Yeah.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay. Since I'm the adult in this matter, and she undid all that, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. It's already heated to 325. 20 minutes.
Saving money counts. Because food is still popcorn in Virginia Beach.
Is it good?
You like it?
Hi, I'm Dominic Malari with the Minion Store Company, and we're here to help make your house a healthy home with products like Luzon Hardwood, featuring pure genius
Oh, they're gonna be up all night.
to make your indoor air.
Yeah, y'all about to take a bath and go, is it comfortable? You getting Indian style? Oh, you dancing with it? Get it, girl. Go. Go. Get it, girl. Go.
I'm done. It's time to dig in.
It's time to dig in. Why is something missing?
Because Aunt G ate some. How rude.
How rude. All right. Tell them thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to Bacon Team.
That's right. Hashtag SHATIMAR. You heard her. Bye, you guys. Say bye, Nori. She waiting on hers because it's still hot. The brownie, Nori? Where is it? It's right there. It's all gone? You want more? You can't have no more, baby. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Say bye.
I have to lose some weight now.
Oh my God. Nori, look at her. She is so funny. And I say chocolate wasted. Her and her sister, Chef Nova, got it in. I love my nieces and my nephews so much. Next time I gotta get the boys, I wear that ass out. Till next time, join SHATIMAR. Hashtag